Lamb Karahi, a hearty delight in a rich tomato gravy, with its tender pieces of bone-in lamb enveloped in a rich tomato-based gravy, is a dish that's both incredibly flavorful and surprisingly simple to make. This delightful recipe has earned a permanent spot in my weekly rotation, and I bet it will in yours too. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. Let's dive into this crowd pleaser. We season 1 kilogram of bone-in lamb with a tablespoon each of salt, ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper powder, Kashmiri chili powder, and dhania jeera. Give everything a thorough mix. No need to marinate for long. We're going straight into the cooking. In a medium heated pan, pour in a 1/4 cup of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated lamb. We're going to fry the meat well for about 5 minutes until it's seared beautifully and the spices have come alive. This step is crucial for developing those bold and beautiful flavors. If you need a bit more oil, don't be shy to add some more. I certainly did. Once the meat has seared to a nice golden hue, add in 3 tomatoes, quartered, mixing them well. Three green chilies have also flown their way into the pan. Where did those come from? Well, they add a fantastic heat that's essential for this dish. Stir everything together nicely. Pour in 2 small cups of water. Bring it to a boil, cover, and cook on high for about 10 minutes. This softens the tomato skins, making them easier to remove. After 10 minutes, peel off the softened skins. Do your best to get them all out. Now it's time to take out any residual frustration by smashing the tomatoes. Don't hold back. Get those tomatoes fully mashed. 1 tomato skin tried hiding in there. Remove that too. Once everything is nice smashed, bring the mixture back to a boil, cover, and cook on low for 45 minutes. The lamb has become tender. We're almost there, but not quite done. We need to reduce most of the liquid to achieve that thick, luscious gravy characteristic of a proper karahi. Increase the heat and keep stirring with a wooden spoon to prevent the meat from sticking and burning at the bottom. Don't let all your hard work go to waste. Once the sauce has reached the perfect consistency, it's time for the finishing touches. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander, more green chilies for those who love an extra kick, and slivers of fresh ginger. These add a burst of color and a refreshing flavor that takes the dish to new heights. That's our lamb karahi done. Let's admire this beauty. The lamb is perfectly tender, and the tomato-based gravy is rich and bursting with flavor. This dish is a joy to eat and a breeze to make. I'm sure it will become a regular feature on your dining table, much to the delight of your family. No need to transfer this to a serving dish. It goes bang on top of the dinner table. Serve with naan, roti, rice, and even paratha. Thank you once again for joining me. I truly appreciate all the comments. Please keep them coming. Happy cooking.